What's up guys, and it's time to welcome back the new Galaxy smartphones. Actually not just one but two new Galaxy phone for the second half of this year. These two phones have the potential to be the best Samsung phone of this year, especially for those looking for the most bang for buck. So as of now, Samsung's best non-flagship phone of 2021 has to be the Galaxy A52. The biggest thing where Samsung could have done better is in the chipset area. And well, it's time for a massive upgrade. Apparently, Samsung is working on a brand new Galaxy A52s model. The letter S means that it's a speed upgrade, and it's going to be the first Samsung phone to use the brand new, newly announced Snapdragon 778G chip. We actually have the leaked Geekbench 5 scores of the A52s rocking this chip, and you can see we have pretty solid scores. Like, this chip scores better than the Exynos 990 flagship processor from Samsung that we see inside the Note 20 Ultra and the S20 Ultra. Now, in comparison to the 4G version of the Galaxy A52, we're looking at a whopping 30 to 40% gains in CPU and GPU improvements. And in comparison to the 5G version of Galaxy A52, the one that comes with the Snapdragon 750G, we still have a significantly faster and efficient chip thanks to the brand new 6nm process, more cores, higher clock speed, new GPU, higher refresh rate display support, better DDR5 RAM as well. Thanks to this processor, the Galaxy A52s can be a dream phone for a lot of people. With the new chip, you also get a brand new camera ISP, which means we'll see better quality images and videos. Now, currently there is no expected date for the launch of this phone, but it is expected that sometime later this year, Samsung will launch this phone first in the European market. Now, this is not the only Galaxy phone that is back and better. According to Roland on Twitter, Galaxy S21 FE production is back on track. This is a great news because not long ago, people were expecting this phone to be cancelled, so it's actually coming, and we're gonna see it possibly in the mid or late September. Now, the news don't stop there. We have a bombshell leak coming via Ice Universe. Apparently, the next flagship Tab series will now get announced alongside the Galaxy S22 lineup. It's also not gonna utilize the Samsung's Exynos AMD chip. Instead, it will use the 4nm Snapdragon 895 CPU. Along with that, we have One UI 4.0 and a massive battery. So yeah, it seems like for now, Samsung is completely exclusively bringing its Exynos AMD GPU chip to the Galaxy S22 lineup. Now, last but not the least, Roland is back with more leaks. We actually have a complete set of press render for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 3. From these renders, we can see how much improvement we have when it comes to the bezels on the Z Flip 3 compared to last year's model, and you can see there's definitely a noticeable improvement, although I can't say the same for the punch hole size. Also, Samsung has introduced a brand new speaker design for the Flip 3, and from the looks of it, it seems like it's gonna bring some real audio gains. So yeah, that's all the latest news. One of Samsung's best 2021 phones are getting a massive boost in performance. Galaxy A52s is coming. S21 FE is back in the game. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.